My name is Jerry Frans, and I'm the Distribution Segment Manager at Orscheln Products. Today we're going to be talking about FLIs. We call those fluid level indicators, but you might know them as dipsticks. FLIs or dipsticks typically measure some type of fluid. Most often the applications are with a diesel engine or with an automatic transmission for commercial vehicles. Typically the applications or the engines or transmissions we're working with have a fixed type of fitting, but the customization comes in where the customer can route that transmission dipstick to go wherever they need to. Say for example, a motorhome chassis. They build the chassis, but then the motorhome is a big box. So sometimes to reach that dipstick, they need to have a custom routing, and that's the benefit of having a custom dipstick manufacturer. Customization of the fluid level indicator or dipstick is broad. There's lots of different things that we could do for specific applications, such as the blades. There's various different markings that can be put on the blade. There's different blade shapes, such as putting a zigzag or a zinc teardrop on the end to help it negotiate around a bend in the tube. The testing process for our fluid level indicators are a first and last piece inspection. But the unique thing is every single unit is manufactured as a system. So each one is calibrated, and the legend and the calibration on the markings of the blade are set specifically for that dipstick each time. One unique feature to our fluid level indicator is that it is a locking dipstick. The way to identify our dipstick on your engine is it has the locking tabs on the outside of the spout. If you have any other questions for fluid level indicators, please reach out to us. We'll be glad to answer any questions.